Now, the Monetary Policy Committee meeting is currently underway. This is the first MPC meeting after the appointment of RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra and the redesignation of Rajeshwar Rao in the Monetary Policy Department. It's also the second MPC meeting for the three new external members, Ram Singh, Shogata Bhattacharya and Nagesh Kumar. So to find out what is the expectation from this MPC, do watch this video till the end. Now, of the 42 economists polled by Bloomberg, all except 6 of them expect the MPC to cut the benchmark lending rate on Friday. The consensus expectation is a rate cut of 25 basis points, while you can't entirely rule out a rate cut of 50 basis points, though the chances are extremely slim. Currently, the repo rate is at 6.5%. So what's changed from the MPC's last meet to this one? Let's take a quick look. First up is inflation. That has moderated to 5.2% in December from about 5.5% in November. In fact, before that, in October, inflation was the highest in 14 months and in excess of the RBI's upper tolerance band before it eased. Food and beverage inflation also encouragingly eased in December to 7.7% from about 8.2% in November, and this was led by lower vegetable prices. Next up, liquidity that continues to remain in deficit, but in what's being seen as a rate cut by stealth. The central bank did announce several measures at the end of January, such as the purchase of open market operations, longer tenure variable rate repo auctions, and interventions in the foreign exchange market in a bid to boost liquidity in the banking system. These measures are expected to narrow the liquidity shortfall and improve policy transmission going forward. Now, next up, GDP. That's estimated to grow by about 6.4%. That's as per the government's first advance estimates ahead of the union budget. This is the slowest pace of growth in 4 years, and that's compared to a provisional estimate of 8.2% for FY24. Now, the second half of the fiscal was expected to see an uptick compared to the first half, but so far, high-frequency indicators as well as corporate earnings show the lack of any substantial improvement despite the festive season spending. Next up, how far can the rupee go? Now, that's bound to be another question on the MPC's mind that continues to depend on actions by the US President Donald Trump and what the RBI will do. There's already been seen some panic as importers are rushing in to book dollars and thus increasing demand. All said, the onus does appear to be on the monetary policy to assume a more growth supportive turn. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit.